हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपको रिव्यू करने जा रही हूँ जिगसॉ पजल्स, alphabetical puzzles along with two pictures. I have ordered this from Amazon. These are very helpful to grow your toddlers. It is easy to make and I am unboxing the box. You can see I haven't opened, so I'm gonna open. These alphabetical funds. These are the jigsaw puzzles or jigsaw alphabets. मैं अभी इसको खोल रही हूँ। आप इसको ओपन कर लीजिए। मैंने ओपन कर लिया है। I have ordered this from Amazon and you can order it from anywhere, or you can purchase it from your nearest shop. This kind of activities or puzzles is very important to grow your toddlers or children. It will enhance their skills. You can say it is a jigsaw puzzles, jigsaw alphabetical order of spelling fun. It has one alphabet and along with two pictures. मैं बॉक्स ओपन करने जा रही हूँ। इसकी पैकिंग काफ़ी अच्छी है। देखिए मैंने ओपन किया है और अब इसमें ये पजल्स, अल्फ़ाबेट्स निकल रहे हैं। इसमें है कि और इसमें इंस्ट्रक्शंस बॉक्स है जो आपको हेल्प कर सकता है। वेज हैं प्ले और लर्न करने के। These are the 7 ways to play and learn along with the cards. These are the different ways you can missing the terms or letter and your toddler will find out. The quantity of the cards or puzzles is very good. Pictures are more clear, more visible. Overall, it was satisfying thing. I'm happy with the product and the quality of the pictures, quality of the cards is really good. You can see there's lots of pictures. It has 26 alphabets and 52 pictures. Each alphabet contains 2 pictures, like A for aeroplane and A for ant. Right now I'm gonna try to show you alphabet with 2 pictures. At least you have some idea how it look like. Here is alphabet Q and here's the 2 pictures along with letter Q. I'm gonna find out the another one. I got letter I and I'm gonna find it in the pictures of I. I got these two pictures. So here's the two pictures of I. After joining the jigsaw, it looks like this. It is easy to make and it is fun. So I'll make some video. मैं दूसरी वीडियो भी जल्दी बनाऊंगी जिसमें हम पूरा ये लेटर जो है वो दिखा सके. A to Z के लेटर्स हैं. Where R is missing, I haven't find the R, so we'll find out later. So please let me know how did you find this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.